Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Instagram DM glitch. If you are experiencing issues with sending or receiving direct messages on Instagram, this tutorial will provide some effective solutions to help resolve the problem. To start, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Often, outdated versions of the app may have bugs that can cause glitches like this. Open your device's App Store, search for Instagram, and check if an update is available. If it is, download and install the latest version. If updating the app doesn't resolve the issue, consider clearing the app cache. If you are using an iPhone, you can do this by offloading the Instagram app. Offloading removes the app from your device but retains all your data, so you won't lose anything. To offload the app, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on General. Next, select iPhone Storage and scroll through the list of apps until you find Instagram. Tap on Instagram and you will see the option to offload the app. Tap Offload App and confirm your choice. Once the app has been removed, reinstall it from the App Store and log in again. If offloading or clearing the cache doesn't work, another method is to log out of your Instagram account and log back in. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile page by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select Settings. Scroll to the bottom of the Settings menu and you'll find the option to log out. Tap Log Out, confirm the action, and wait for a few moments. Then, log back in using your credentials. This can refresh your account settings and potentially resolve any glitches with the direct messages. If these steps don't resolve the issue, you may also consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app entirely or checking your device's internet connection to ensure it is stable. These are the main methods you can use to fix the Instagram DM glitch. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.